Symbols have the power to transcend boundaries, connecting us to ideas, emotions, and entire cultures. Among the most interesting of these symbols is the sparkle. Once a whimsical adornment in pop culture, the sparkle has evolved to signify something profound in our digital age, the rise of generative AI. I'm Anthony from US Mobile. Join me as we explore the journey of the sparkle from its origins to its current status, a beacon of progress or a symbol of illusion. The sparkle first appeared in pop culture in the 1950s, popping up in ads, posters, and television. It represented something new, exciting, and mysterious, the glamour of a new product, a visual garnish to Disney's magic, and altogether a representation of the way mystical, shiny things are meant to make us feel. We can see the sparkle continue its prevalence in the decades that followed. It grew more popular in the 90s with the influences of Japanese art and media. In the world of anime, manga, and video games, sparkle served as a powerful tool of emphasis, representing rarity, love, or the feeling of being starstruck. Scenes with sparkles just add that extra touch of enchantment to the medium. Simultaneously, the first batch of emoji are developed by Shigetaka Kurita in the late 1990s. Fast forward to our current era of social media, and we find ourselves knee-deep in the age of emoji. Here's where it gets interesting. Over the course of the early 2020s, it's become increasingly apparent that generative AI tools have taken the world by storm, and the sparkle is coming along for the ride. It's not just a decorative element, it's a statement. AI companies like OpenAI and hundreds of their API users like Notion and Grammarly have all embraced the sparkle in their branding and user interfaces. For example, GPT 3.5 boasts a lightning bolt, while GPT 4, exclusively available to paying subscribers, features a captivating sparkle. Notion introduced generative AI, accompanied by the same distinctive purple sparkle. Even Spotify embraced the trend, adding a touch of sparkle to their shuffle icon. It seems that, with the help of marketers and designers around the world, the sparkle has solidified itself as the official emblem of generative AI tools. But does the impression the sparkle is meant to give align with what generative AI actually is? The sparkle in these logos and interfaces is meant to denote innovation, enchantment, ease of use. It signifies a leap in technology, a touch of magic in the mundane, a promise of seamless interaction. But this imagery can raise questions and even misconceptions. While the sparkle conjures images of simplicity and allure, the reality of generative AI is far more complex. It's not merely a push of a button or a magical solution to all problems. There are ethical considerations, technological barriers, and a vast underlying structure that supports these tools. Is the sparkle then a misleading symbol, or is it just a brilliantly subtle marketing strategy? The journey of the sparkle doesn't stop with AI. It's spread to so many other areas, leading me to question, what does it even mean anymore? The rise of the sparkle has led to a decline in its consistency. Previously, Pokemon used a star symbol to represent ultra-rare, shiny Pokemon. But now it has been replaced by a cluster of sparkles. It's puzzling to see this symbol next to a button enticing me to upgrade to an enterprise-level subscription for a CMS, especially considering it's in the classic AI purple, not even the brand's signature blue. Even on Twitter communities, a key subheader utilizes the sparkle symbol, suggesting, "Meet others with your interests." What exactly does the sparkle symbol have to do with that? Ironically enough, while reading about this topic on Medium, I noticed that the sparkle represents a certain tier of membership. Additionally, Google Meet employs the sparkle button to access a menu of visual effects, such as transforming into a cat or conducting your meeting in an underwater oasis. And Artlist might be the worst offender of them all. There's a non-clickable sparkle button just sitting there next to the search symbol. Literally, why? It's like everybody wants a little bit of that marketing magic. This all brings me back to my piece on Frutiger Arrow. There was a time where tech was overwhelmingly organic. Think early Samsung devices, skeuomorphism in iOS, and the gorgeous wallpapers of Windows Vista. It made tech super friendly, humanist, and easy to adopt. Once everybody got on board though, things quickly shifted. Flat, blank, and overwhelmingly corporate. And their designs, and their priorities. I believe something about pitching AI as this easy as magic push of a button is pulling the hood over the eyes of its users. Think about it. The more accessible tech looks, the less we actually understand how it works and why. And there are certainly some undesirable traits underneath the hood of the rising AI industry. For one, it isn't all too artificial or intelligent on its own. Much of AI innovation is powered by underpaid workers in foreign countries. Beyond that, large language models are being trained by copyrighted works, be it hundreds of thousands of pirated books or your employer's sensitive code that you just fed to it. AI developers are taking advantage of every piece of data they can acquire, leading to ethical and notably legal issues. In other words, it's not as magic as you might think. Despite this, the sparkle continues to proliferate from AI tools to the most unconventional domains. This journey of the sparkle from a whimsical emblem to a marketing tool and now a ubiquitous sign in AI reiterates the adaptive nature of symbols. However, it's crucial to question the implications of such symbolism. Does the sparkle in AI branding mask the reality of it all? It might be time we brush off the pixie dust to understand the true nature of what we're rapidly embracing.